Could you talk to the audience a little bit about why we decided to do that with the stake pool and what are our plans for the future of that?
Yeah, so with this token, we're trying to open up like the management of our stake pool and kind of get our delegators involved in more of the process than just picking a stake pool and kind of crossing their fingers and hoping it does well. So
Hmm.
our delegators can vote on things like our pledge requirements. So pledge is important because so delegators can basically vote on something like our pledge requirement, in a sense paying them back in the future with more rewards through like this pledge mechanism that I'm talking about. Basically, we plan to increase our pledge by reinvesting all of our fees until we meet the pledge requirements that are proposed by our delegators.
Hmm.
But also, rather than us having control over like our fees or when and where we should upgrade our hardware, where we should be placing our relay nodes, maybe
Hmm.
we're like looking to kind of have our delegators play a role in some of these decisions. I guess the hope is that, or the idea is that not everybody has the technical skill that maybe Jack or myself might have to operate a stake pool, but they might have other expertise, other areas that would help all of us have a successful stake pool.
Absolutely. So letting the delegators have a control or a vote over the future of our stake pool, any changes to the fees, fixed cost, margin, where our relay nodes are placed, basically anything can be proposed, and we'll take a look at that.
Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, be sure to subscribe for future videos. Remember, if you're interested in anything I'm associated with, everything is in the description below. See you next time.